Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create button and also how you can convert it to a component, okay? And after creating component, I'll also show you like if you want to have another state, so you can have that as well, like hover effect or anything if you want to add. So that also I'm going to show you. So first of all, I'll select this frame tool, okay? Now I'll just draw a random shape and just make sure the width is 149, okay, and the height is 51, okay. So first of all, I'll try to add a stroke here, okay, which will be the stroke value will be 2, okay, and it should be rounded, okay. That's it. Okay, that's it. So now let's write something into it, maybe label, okay, some label it will have, right? So the same color I would give here, okay. So here I have created an outline button, okay. Now select this thing, select the frame, okay, select the frame and then create component. That's it. That is how simply you can create, how you can convert a button to a component, okay. Then you can click on the add variant option, okay. Just because I want to add another variant to it, I'll click on this plus icon here at the top, okay. That's it, okay. So I have created another variant, okay. So basically this is the main component and this is the variant of this component, okay. Now in this state I want the fill color to change like this, okay, and the text should be white, okay. That's it. Now you have to connect it, okay. This should be while hovering, okay, done. So now take a phone, any kind of phone you can take, like Android large I'll be taking, okay, and then I'll be placing this one to here, okay. Just you can click on the control copy, okay, and then control plus C and then control plus V, control plus V, that's it. It's pasted. So this is the component. Now I need to check if it is working or not. Okay, here is my button. So can you see how, okay, one thing I would like to add here, I'll just do one thing. I'll select this one. I'll select this connection here. I don't want it to be instant. It should be smart animate. Okay. Some animation I want in it. So an ease in and out. That's fine. Okay. Now check. Now check this. Right? That is how you can convert a button to a component. Now for example, you have kept this somewhere far away, okay, and you want to use this button, okay. So from where you can get it, like you can just click on the assets here, okay, then you will find it here, okay. Can you see the button is here? So from here you can get it, okay. You just need to click and drag, and then another way is by clicking on this one, resources, okay, resources, and then here, okay, components, and then my component is here. I need to click and drag it. So this is how you can get your components from the assets panel and also from the resources option. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have got any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.